Hello friends, today I'm going to share how can you disable your Windows Update permanently. Okay, disabling Windows Update makes your computer faster, but there may be some risks. Okay, so make sure that if you want to make your computer faster without any risks, then just follow the steps. Okay, here are some tips. Method 1. Disable Windows Update from the services. Very simple. Press 1 plus R and type services .msc. Okay, then press enter. Then here go to Windows Update, press Windows, and you can find out here Windows Update. Here is Windows Update. Just go to Properties and this manual, and just you can disable, apply, and OK. This is the first step, right? Now second step is that from Use Group Policy Editor. Very simple. Press 1 plus R, then type gp edit .msc. Okay, then after from computer configuration, go to administrator templates. Here you have to go to Windows component, and then here we have to find out Windows Update. Scroll down, and here you can find Windows Update. Just click that, and here manage end user experience, and then after you can find a configure automatic updates. Right click and or double click to edit and disable, apply, and OK. This is the second step to disable auto update. Now method 3 is reset method connection. Okay, here go to the setting or type setting, search bar, and go to the setting tab. Then go to network and Wi-Fi, internet, and go to the Wi-Fi, and here you can find out this is my Wi-Fi. Just click that, and here you can find out method connection turn off. Just turn on this, right? And now next is that use registry editor. Okay, this is the advanced level. Let's try that. You reach the solution how to do that. Okay, I'm going to give you the examples. So press 1 plus R and type rec edit and run commands. Okay, as for the permission, I was on the fixing show. Now here, okay, go to here register and local ASCII local machine, and then after you have to go to here the software. Here is the software. Then after go to the policies, software policies. Okay, you can find out the policies. Just click this and go to the Microsoft. Okay, and here you have to go to the Windows. Okay, here is the Windows. Just click that. After Windows, you have to go to the Windows Update. Okay, here is a Windows Update. Okay, just click that. Then after you have to go to this AU, and here I have already set here no auto update. I'm going to just delete this, and here you have to right click and go to new and GW authoritative value, and here you have to type and no AU, sorry, a capital AU to auto and update UPDAT, no auto update, and just right click and modify and set it 1. And after just restart your computer, start menu, and just click here and just restart your computer, then the setting will apply in your system. Okay, you can find out the optional, and you can use the free utility. You can use Windows Update Blocker, start Windows Update 10 or W10 man. Okay, you can just turn off browser. Okay, and you can use that. Well friend, this video really helped you to block Windows Update in a PC. Friends, don't forget to say, comment, subscribe my channel. Friend, if you want to support, makes me happy to create these types of video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.